Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Android phone screen is suddenly glitching, flickering, or flashing randomly, it means there is a conflict with your brightness sensors, a rogue third-party application, or software rendering error. I will show you exactly how to adjust your display settings and troubleshoot the system to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, the most common culprit for screen flickering is a malfunctioning light sensor that is rapidly and incorrectly changing your screen's illumination. To stop this continuous adjustment, open your Android Settings app and tap on the Display or Display and Brightness menu. Locate the toggle switch for Adaptive Brightness or Auto Brightness and turn it completely off. Once disabled, manually set your brightness slider to a comfortable, stable level to see if the glitching stops. Next, if the screen is still glitching, a recently installed application might be forcing a broken display overlay or running a corrupted background process. To test this, press and hold your phone's physical power button until the power menu appears on screen. Tap and firmly hold the on-screen power off icon until a safe mode prompt appears, then tap OK to restart. If the flickering completely stops while in safe mode, you must uninstall your recently downloaded third-party apps one by one until the problem is permanently resolved. Finally, if you are experiencing deep software rendering issues, we need to force your phone's internal graphics chip to handle all of the screen drawing. Go to your settings, tap About Phone, and tap your build number 7 times in a row to unlock developer mode. Go back to your main settings menu, open the new Developer Options, and scroll down to the Hardware Accelerated Rendering section. Toggle the switch to turn on Disable HW Overlays, which forces strict GPU rendering and often instantly stops severe screen glitches. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.